Welcome to my channel. Friends, in today's video we will explore top 5 indoor plants for home decoration that have a huge search volume. First one is aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is a popular house plant known for its soothing gel and low maintenance. It thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. At number 2 is snake plant. Snake plant has air purifying properties. They have long, upright leaves with distinctive pattern resembling snake scale. Snake plants are great for improving indoor air quality by absorbing toxins. At number 3 are succulents. Succulents are popular as houseplants due to their unique and often striking appearance as well as their low maintenance nature. Some well-known succulents are echeverias, sedums, jade plants and etc. Next is peace lily. Peace lily are easy to care. They are beautiful, resilient plants that can add a touch of serenity to any living space. Peace lilies are popular choice due to their elegant white flower and dark green leaves. And number 5 is English ivy vine. English ivy vine, known for its trailing vines and lush green leaves, it can be grown in hanging baskets on wall or in pots as a climber. Keep in mind that English ivy vine can be toxic to pets if ingested. Friends, please comment, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.